What a beautiful, beautiful day for carrot picking. Emily, stop picking carrots! There's a huge gray wolf heading this way!
Well, well, well. A tender little rabbit, all alone in the meadow. How convenient.
Mia, we can't outrun him. He's too fast on the ground. Wizza, what's the melee? We need to outsmart him.
So what's the plan? You fly high and distract him. I'll circle around and tie his feet with those vines. What if he catches me? He can't catch what he can't reach.